Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to do a flip through for both of my journals here, but I want to fill them up with some ephemera with you guys today. So if you guys please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so I did a video on this yesterday on making this one, and I will post the link below for you guys. And this one was really fun. It was out of a Jimmy John's fast food bag, so it turned out pretty cool. Okay, so we got that one. We'll put to the side for now. And then this one is a quilted journal, and I'll have all my sizing. I'm gonna have these in my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link below when I put them in there, and all the dimensions and stuff will all be in there. So this is just a quilted, it's sewn in the front here, and then I took my sewing machine, if you guys can see that, and I sewed just randomly all around it, and then added some brads, which do not stick to through the other side. It's actually the heads of the brads. So I did a video on showing you guys how to do the book plate, how I did that, and how I added like the brads, how I put those on there. So you guys go check that out. And I figured let's fill this up with some fun little things, and then I'll do a flip through of both at the end. Okay? So what we got is, we got some fun little journaling card tags. Okay, and I want to just go ahead and let's do some inking. This is black soot. Black soot. So this is just going to be a fast just video of getting these put together, and then doing a flip through with you guys. And I'm having one of those days where you're just trying to get a video done, and you know, my son calls and needs stuff, and then, you know, my mother-in-law comes and needs stuff, and then I do laundry, so I'm stopping in between. It's just one of those days. You know how you have one of those days where you'd rather be crafting, but everything gets in the way. So now I finally sat down, and I'm supposed to, this is my quilting mat I have underneath, because I usually don't craft with this mat, because this one I use for like my white material and like materials and stuff that I cut for my banner flags in my shop, and I do not want ink on them, so I don't know, I'm risking it right now. But I figured I was just gonna do a quick, and I will not get ink on anything. Fingers crossed, right? Okay. So we got this one and this one. So those are done with that. And so, let's see, we'll go ahead and do these in the back here. I already inked around that one. And we can go ahead and ink this one. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today, and getting out your art supplies and your craft stuff and crafting along with me. Yeah, because that's what it's all about, right? Just getting some crafting done around here. So now I feel like I'm in a hurry before someone else stops me. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. All right. So we got that one. And then this was just a fun little collage with some book page on the back. So those are done. Now, let's just pick a page, any page. And what do we have? So I have some fun little pockets. And most of the stuff you guys are going to see, and I'll let you know, but I made them in my channel. So I've made them before. So I'll try to post a link down below. If I do not post the link, please let me know, and I will post it for you. But it is in my, if you guys go to my channel, you guys can see pretty much everything I'm putting in here and what I made. So what I'm thinking is we can even get some washi tape out to mess with, and stamps. You gotta have stamps to play with, so. Okay, now this one I'm thinking, let's go ahead and glue it. Oops, I did not put my needle back into my art glitter glue. Whoops. Oh well, it should still be good. I just was gluing a second ago, not long ago. So re-poke it. Okay, so this is art glitter glue, and that's a mouthful. Art glitter glue, and it works great. And these are fun little pockets. And before we stick it in the book, nah, let's stick it in the book. Let's do this. So this is just a fun little pocket out of a book page. I'm just going to stick it in the middle here. Like that. Make sure you guys can see. There we go. Okay. So we're going to do that, and thinking some fun little stamps would be cool. We got Love Grows here. That's a good one. So we can do one here. Like that. And this is just a September flower stamp. Just to add something. And I got some, there they are, some fun little just leaves. So you just kind of randomly have some leaves. Okay, so there's a little pocket. So you could put stuff in that. And let's see, what else do we want to put in here? And I just did a video the other day on making a coin envelope. And it's just a fun little flap that opens. And you got a little pocket on the inside here. And I did some, out of a magazine, I put some felt little elves. So that's Christmassy, that's kind of fun. So I could do that. And we're just going to go ahead and clip it to the side here. It looks like a good page for it. So just take a paper clip. There we go. So that's a fun little paper clip. Okay. And what else do we got here? We got a butterfly, and I got, like I said, I'm gonna have a video on all half of these, most of them. And we could just go ahead, now we can glue this one down, which would be fun, and do a little pocket. We could do a little side tuck like this, and that can hang out like that. Let's go like this, because then it looks like a butterfly. So we're just gonna glue around the edges here. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave the top open, and then whoever gets the book can, or the journal, can make that a pocket and put whatever they want in it. I think it's fun having that hang out a little. Okay, so that one's done. What else do we got here? Here's another little fun, just a little flip with some fun ephemera in it. It's got some old things, a little vellum paper, just some fun sticker, and what's that? A little report card or something. And just little pockets. And then this is fun journaling paper right here that's tucked in there. So yes, I have a video on this one. And then there's a little couple things to use here. Okay, so it comes with a little ephemera in it. And we're gonna go ahead and just clip it up to the top. I think it would be cute. Or it could be glued in there and then opened up. That might be an idea too. Okay, we did that spot, so let's, ew, look at that. That could be kind of fun. Okay, so let's just glue it down, and then it could just open up. Let's just do that. So there we go. Okay. And this stuff grabs pretty fast, so get that grabbed up. And there we go. Make sure you guys can see the whole thing. So it's a fun little flip out. Okay, so that one's done. And so I'm just randomly picking pages here. Just, I don't want to use all the pages up, but just some fun little things. Okay. And then I thought this would be cute. It's just a book page on the back with some collage going on, and then a little journaling spot with a little alligator and a little index card. So you can just take this, and you got a cute little beaded paper clip. So let's go like that. However you want to put it in. And then that should hang on the side there. There we go. Make sure you grab the paper. Okay. Oh, there we go. And then just a couple more things thrown in here. Now, I do have this. I don't think I have a video on this one, but it's a fun. I did a gesso on it, and then when it was wet, I took my. I make banner flags. And they're tie-dye banner flags, and I cut the, before I send them out and stuff, I make sure they look really nice and cut the edges so there's like strips. I'll show you, like, and I keep all the little tie-dyed strips pieces, and then I took it and sprinkled them in there, and they're all hand-dyed and really cool and fun. So I was thinking this is a neat little tuck spot. So let's go ahead and glue that in, because that would be a good little spot to tuck your stuff. Okay. There we go. Let's give it a second and it'll hold. Okay. So you can tuck some stuff in there, right there, and let it dry. Okay, so now for each one of these, I'm going to, I think I'm gonna do, let's stick with the Christmas kind of theme-ish. So this is a fun envelope tuck in the front, is what I called it in my video. And it's a envelope fold that you have journaling spot, so you can journal on this side. And you got a little tuck in the front of it. And I just put in some just some stamps in the front here, fun little things. So this can clip in. We'll just clip it on the side right here, so it's more journaling space. Oh, that matches. Do we want that to match? I think it can match. I don't think it's gonna hurt nothing. Or right here. That could be a good spot. Let's do that. Okay, so we'll take a paper clip. We'll have purple or blue, maybe blue. I like adding color. It's just, I don't know. I like color. I like tie-dye. I like color. I like rainbow, and it's just neat. It's neat to throw a little splash of color here and there, you know. Okay, so I think that's all I needed to do. Let me look, because I want stuff from the other journal too. And we did the butterfly, we did that. We did those. Yeah. Okay. So that one's done with this one. And like I said, I'll do a flip through at the end here. So let's go ahead and do this one. And this was a fun video. I'm gonna make sure you guys, this one's a little longer, so. There we go. This was a fun video. It was a Jimmy John bag that my husband brought home for lunch. You know, he just, you know, had it in there and brought it. And I'm like, you know, that would be fun to make a journal out of it. So I brought you guys along with it in this video. I made it yesterday, so the video should be on there. I need to link it. I'll link it down for you. And it was just a fun little process. I like kind of made it up with you guys on camera. So you got to come check that out. It's pretty entertaining. Okay, so this is bias tape. It's not seam binding, it's bias tape, and it's great for like quilting and stuff, but I just did it and did a zigzag on it and did a little rivet in the front here and sewed it all together. Okay, so this is the front beginning. This is the inside of this one, so you got some fun. And then I'll put the pages and stuff in the Etsy listing because I'll have to recount and make sure. Okay, so we got this. Now, you got a cool little tuck here. So we could put something there. Let's see. What do I have that I want to put a tuck in there? Well, we could start off. So I got, this is another envelope tuck that I made just out of a paper bag. So this would be a paper bag and a paper bag. So it has to come in here, right? And it's got a fun little pocket on the front here. A little tuck spot there with some journaling space. And these are stickers. These are fun, just stickers. You can undo it, and it's one sticker with different images. Okay. And it tucks there. So we can just go ahead and clip. Should we clip it in the front here? I mean, we could. Because it'd be a bag right when you open it up. That'd be kind of fun. So let's go ahead and clip it. It's cute here. We'll have this at the front, and we'll do another page with a magazine flip. This one is really cute. And I have a video on this one too, and this is different than the envelope pocket. This is a separate video for the envelope pocket ones, and then this is a magazine journaling envelope. So you open it up and you have journaling spot, and then you have a really cool, just fun magazine page. So it's like out of the big magazine pages that you have, and you're like, I don't want to cut those up, you know, they're really pretty. And so this is a great idea to do a journaling spot for it and make like an envelope. Just like that. And I thought that was really cute. Okay, so this one will go in here. And then you just take your paper clip. This is the front where it says My Pantry. We'll do it like that. And you can clip it. And then it just kind of just wraps and tucks like that. So, and then you got a little bulb pin with some beads on the bottom. So that goes with it here. Line it up. So that'll be a fun little thing to find in here. Okay. And let's skip ahead a little bit. And let's see. So this is a fun little just material flip. Like that. It's just got different. So you can tear it off and use them however you want, or you could just keep them in here. Use it for, you know, decoration or however you want to do it. So we can take it and just do a little clip. I like clipping stuff in, and then you guys can move them around where you want them and do stuff. But gluing some stuff in for like pockets and stuff is fun too. So there, that's a little thingy to find. And then it's some coloring page in the middle. So that kind of goes, I mean, we got the ocean scene, which, you know, seahorses, They're fabulous. You gotta love seahorses. And let's see. Oh, and we got another flip here, and it's got a cute little bumblebee. A little fun little trinket on the bottom there. So, and it's another fold out. It's like this. Okay. Now this one I think we're just gonna clip in. And then you can move this one around. It's a little bigger, so however you want to do it. And this has the dragonfly card and then the sticker. Some little pockets, and then some more journaling spots, and a little tuck up here. And then another pocket in the front, just with some photos in it. This is 1936. And daily balance slip, just some fun little, and then this is a sticker. It's just a little sticker in it. So you got all that to play with. And then your journaling spots in there. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and just clip it up top. We could just do silver here too. Okay. So that will be fun to find. Okay. There we go. So done with that. And we'll just leave the rest some journaling spots then to play, so people can do their own stuff in it. And they got some fun goodies to find in here. And it still folds up nicely. And then it just ties around. Just does a little tie. Okay, so now we got them both done. Let's do a flip through. So this one's the Jimmy John one, the Jimmy John fast food bag. And I did some beading down at the bottom with some fun just little beads and some cotton, like macrame rope, and a magazine page with some autumn leaves and the saying, a little quote in the middle. And then this is suede in the background with some avocado dyed paper behind it. And then this is just a scrapbook paper that I sewed around on it. Okay. And then on the inside here for the backing is avocado dyed paper. And I did avocado and onion dyed paper is what's throughout this journal. Okay, so you guys saw that. And then like I said, I'll put in the measurements and the how many pages and stuff in the Etsy link in my listing in my shop. So we just got some fun pages to look at and play with and journal in. And this is the onion dyed right here, and this is the avocado, so you can see the difference. So they're all dyed for you. Okay. And this is the avocado back here, and I did some inking, and then I took some of the bias tape that I had left over from the tie and did a little decorative ruffle here and here just to tie it all together. Okay, and then some fun coloring page here. You guys could color it and make it however you want it. Okay, and then the back is avocado, and it's stitched all the way around. So we got some zigzag stitching and some fun little thing. And then you can put whatever you want in here. You could tuck whatever you want. So that's that. And how did I do this here? And you could tie these however you want. So I just did a little side bow. And there's still room to like if you fill this up pretty good and you can't do a bow, you can still do a little knot there. So there's still room to grow. And you can see that. You got some room to grow in there. So that's the fun little Jimmy John journal. Jimmy John journal. Okay. And now this one is my quilted front that I sewn in. And then I got a fun just a lace tie that's sewn in through on the inside here. So you can't see it, so it's in there. And I did some scrap paper back here just to kind of reinforce the, but it's got a, you know, it's still wibbly like that. So it's nice. I mean, it's got a nice feel to it. So that's a fun scrap paper in the background, and I'll re-glue that. I always go through and double check everything anyway, just to make sure everything's glued down. And getting it just so. Okay. And you got a little fun pocket to put stuff in. And this is also avocado and onion dyed paper. And then I probably, yeah, I threw in some of my RIT dyed different colors that I did, like my stuff I use for tie-dyeing. So there might be some of those in here too. So, and then it comes with a journaling spot in the back here. Make sure it fits. Not that popping open. Okay. And then another little journaling spot. So you got those. Okay. And some avocado dyed paper. You got a fun little pocket. And then some stenciled paper with my RIT dye. And a fun little coin envelope. And some more dyed paper, onion dyed. And then this one is with my RIT dye, and I did a stencil, alphabet stencil. And then this is RIT dyed in the background. And you got your fun little fold out. And more stenciling. Okay. And you got a spicy pickles and peaches recipe. And this is from the 80s, I'm pretty sure. I got it from my mother-in-law, and it's definitely older paper and little recipe. And some fun autumn colors on the back. And this is the other side of it. It's just so beautiful. And then this is vegetable relish recipe. Okay. And then some more stenciling, avocado dyed. Dyed paper. Okay, and then you got yourself a little tuck here. There we go. Hopefully that doesn't fall out. Okay. Yeah, and just some more journaling spots, and then you got yourself a tuck here. Stenciling. And then I got the back pocket here, and I put more scrapbook paper in the back here, and I sewed around so it's sewn in. And then journaling spot, and a journaling card, just a fun, just book pages, just something fun to have in here, and just a little tag, cute little tag. So that's that one, and then that's the back. That's the back image here. And you can see better on here the stitching that I did. So I just kind of stitched all throughout and stitched around. And then that's the spine and the front. And then you can put your own wording in here. You can stamp journal or notebook or whatever you want to do in there. See, so that's fun. That's sticking out, the little beads. We'll go ahead and tie this one up. So you got plenty of room to build it up for sure. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So this one will be in my Etsy shop too, and I will get a listing going for that, and I'll put it down below. And thank you guys for following along, and I hope you enjoyed this and found it inspirational and getting your journals all together and piecing them together and getting them all nice looking. And please, if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting, guys. And have a great day.